Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Maytag app is and how it's positioned. The Maytag app is a smart home appliance control app, and according to official App Store listings, it is designed to connect and manage compatible Maytag smart appliances from a mobile device. Based on official descriptions, users can remotely start or stop appliances and monitor their status in real time through the app. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app falls under smart home and lifestyle tools, and official sources state that it allows scheduling cycles, such as setting a wash cycle to run at a specific time. According to official information, users receive notifications when cycles are complete, which may help reduce the need to check appliances manually. There are also troubleshooting features, which provide diagnostics and guidance to resolve certain appliance issues without a service visit. Official descriptions mention personalized tips and tools like stain guides, which are designed to help users improve laundry results. The app includes customization options such as saving favorite cycles and accessing specialty cycles on supported models. According to Maytag sources, connected appliances can receive updates and new features over time when linked to the app. There are also remote monitoring and control features for kitchen appliances, including setting, modifying, or canceling cooking cycles from a phone. Some functionality depends on owning compatible Wi-Fi-enabled appliances, which is required to access most smart features. This app may be useful for users who want remote control and monitoring of their home appliances from a single interface. For users interested in automating routines and receiving real-time updates from appliances, this could be an option depending on their setup. Some aspects such as compatibility, connectivity requirements, or feature availability across devices may vary and should be considered potential limitations. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.